Hey, this is Mary Precious Jones Huntsville, better known as Precious. Guys, today I will be coming to you cleaning out my china cabinet. Now, I have been storing so many different items in it, like excess dishes. When I don't feel like going downstairs and putting it in the storage, I just put it here because it's so close to me. So I'm going to go ahead on and I'm going to start cleaning this, and I'm going to bring you along with me and show you how I can get this organized and looking neatly. So if you want to see how I do this, just keep watching. Okay, so here are some of the items that I already start taking out before I realize that, hey, I need to record this. As you can see, I got all kind of stuff under there, guys. I got pots, well, not pots, but pans. I got casserole dishes. I got different little dishes here. So I'm going to clean this out because this is unhealthy. First, I'm going to go ahead on and move all of this stuff out from the bottom, and then I go to the top because the bottom really needs to be cleaned out, even if I don't get to the top today. But the bottom, I'm going to finish this. So let's go ahead on and get started here. Okay, so as you can see, I have all of this cleaned out, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead on and wipe it down, and I'm going to go ahead and put the items, some of the items, back in here, get it all organized and pretty, and then I will start on the top. And this here is what I'm going to use. This is vinegar, cleaning vinegar with Oxy. And I added just a little bit of Dawn detergent to it. So I'm going to use this to spray in here and clean this area out. Okay guys, you're going to always want to clean your area, your space. Wipe it down before you restock and put everything back in it. That way everything will be nice and clean. Because you don't want to just move stuff out of it and don't go in and wipe everything down. So you want to start with a fresh slate. I'm going to go ahead on and get started on the top. Here we go. guys, I'm coming in with two different solutions, but they're made by the same brand. So here's my Old English spray. Is help protect from everyday wear and tear. And then I'm coming in with the Old English. It is the scratch cover. I'm getting ready to clean the exterior of my china cabinet. So let's start at the very top. Oh my gosh, you know what? I am actually tired from cleaning this china cabinet. So the junk that you see in the background behind me, because I know you can see it looking through this china cabinet, I gotta get all of that stuff thrown away, but I don't think I have the energy to finish this entire room. This is my dining room that I told you I'm trying to find someone to come in and remodel this, so I'm not gonna be showing you the entire dining room, just this area. I want you to see the dining room once everything is completed, okay? So let's start at the bottom. See there, I took all of that stuff out of it. Guys, I didn't need all that stuff. I just left just my little glass Purex cookware in there. And also here, I just put my china down there. Got my china down there. Some of my china right there. And some of my china glasses. So I got my, I'm sorry, I said china on the other side, but I meant crystal. So I got some of my crystal items right here, as you can see, the label. Okay, so this is crystal as well, and that's my china down there. Okay, so right here is where I got just my little plate and some of the small shot glasses. I don't drink. And then I got my crystal wine glasses in here, and this is just a DIY that was sitting in here, so I just put it back in here because I don't have time to try to find other stuff in the house to redecorate, so I'll come back and do that at a later date. But this is my my little 3 candle holder here. I just got some diamonds in that. Here's a little tray that I made, and this is the blue wine glasses that matching my plates. Okay, so in here is just where I got some matching plates there. I got my wine glasses and a magnolia blossom. And here, this is what I got in this middle area, my plates. And then here I got some more crystal glasses sitting right there. I have my ginger jars, 2 of those, and another magnolia. Okay, same thing on the other side. Let me rephrase a statement that I made. I said I was tired from cleaning this cabinet. No, it is not the cleaning, it's the recording while cleaning. Okay, so yeah, there's my crystal on that shelf, and then right here I just got my other DIY with the little blue rose and my blue wine glass and my beautiful little blue figurine. So this is what it looking like right now. Okay, I thank you guys for hanging out with me as you watched me clean and decorated my china cabinet. So guys, I will see you in the next video. I will see you in the future because your future looks good on you. Bye bye.